This is Lizzy May, our 1907 Model B Willcox Gibbs sewing machine as we received her, with the exception of the base and hand crank, which we podged together to make her easier to use. And here's what she looks like now, after 20 hours of restoration. The base and crank were removed because they really weren't correct for this machine. A new base and correct hand crank are in the works, and an update video will be made once she's configured with them. Instead of repainting, I only cleaned and polished her original finish. This was a mistake because while she looks pretty good here, some areas still show discolored shellac. Another problem is that the nickel plating on her needle plate is blistering, and rust shows where the blister tops have worn off. Still, most of the metal polished very good, and the 24-karat gold leaf decals bling her up enough to hide these minor problems. And true to her advertised name as the silent automatic sewing machine, Lizzy really is absolutely quiet, a miracle of engineering from a time when things were made to last. I hope you enjoyed this before and after video of our Willcox Gibbs sewing machine. As always, please stop by the main website at waynesthisthanddhat.com for hundreds of other interesting pages. And thanks again for watching.